wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, O! Hi, kids! From A to Z, from East to West, I'm Hannah! And welcome back to Dream Again. I'm trying to learn my ABCs today. Have you learned yours yet? I can sing the song, but I don't know the words for them yet. But I think Noah and Olivia can help. Shall we check in with them?
Do you guys know your alphabet? Yeah? I bet a lot of you know yours. Yeah. You learn your alphabet so that you can know all the letters, and once you know all the letters, you can learn to read. Whoa, and reading is so cool. It has so many different worlds and books and possibilities. Oh, I really like books.
Are you ready to play?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay.
So, our first letter is an A. Olivia, what do you think A stands for?
A stands for apple.
Yes, you are correct!
Yay!
That was a good one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, next one is B.
Boy.
No, banana. But
Banana!
Boy
Yeah.
is right, but banana is another word.
Banana's another one. Ooh,
Okay.
neat.
C stands for
Cat.
car.
Car. Oh, they're both three-letter words, though.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right.
That's cool.
D stands for
Dog.
duck.
Duck. Oh, okay. Okay. No household animals.
No household animal.
Okay.
E stands for
E stands for elephant.
Earth.
Earth. Ooh.
Planet Earth.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That is a good one.
That is a good one.
Okay, F stands for
F stands for funny. Like Noah, you're so funny.
no, fish.
Fish. Oh yeah, fish. That's good.
Okay, should we change? Now it's your turn. Now you do the next round.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm
And
coming.
then you come around.
Okay.
There I am.
And here I am.
Okay.
Okay,
now
are you ready?
It's my turn to guess the second row of the alphabet. Where were we? Where did we end?
Okay. We ended on F.
So the next one is J. G.
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 Yep. G.
Okay.
Okay.
G.
G. And
Oh. Like a giraffe, maybe?
that's right. But also like
Garden.
grass.
Grass.
Grass. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one is H, right? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. H.
H like
Like-
happy.
Actually happy. There's like a little girl with the happy smile on. Yeah. So happy.
Okay.
And then
Next one is I.
I like
Igloo.
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 Yeah.
Igloo.
Wow, you're doing really good.
Yeah.
Wow, you're so good at this.
Okay.
Have you played this game before?
Maybe.
Maybe. Oh, okay. That's okay.
Okay.
What's the next one?
Next one is J, right?
Yeah, Jay.
Okay. J like John.
Oh, this one's a hard one. This one's hard. It's J like.
Jigsaw.
Yes. How did you
It
get that? Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. I just guessed it.
Wow, that was a really hard one and you got it right.
Yay!
Wow. Okay, how about the next one?
The next one would be K.
Yep. K like.
K like kettle.
Nope. Like maybe you fly it in the sky.
Oh, I know.
Yeah?
A kite.
Yeah, like kite. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And the
then
next one?
The next one is L
Yeah.
like learning. Like I'm learning the alphabet.
Oh, that's really good, but no, like maybe like roar.
Oh, I know. A lion.
Yeah, I like lion.
Like Simba.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now it's time to switch. That's
Yeah,
the
now
whole
it's time
rule.
to switch. Now
Okay.
it's my turn again to flip the alphabet.
Yep. Okay,
Okay,
ready?
I'm coming.
Okay, I'm
Switch.
coming. Okay, I'm
Bye.
coming. Bye.
Okay, now it's my turn again.
Okay, your turn.
So next one is
is M.
N. Oh, moon.
M like the moon, exactly.
Yay, good one.
Next one is N.
N. Hold on. N like knock, like you knock on a door, knock.
No.
Oh, wait. That's not right though. Sorry, that starts with a different letter.
Yeah, that starts with a K.
Yeah, that's a hard one.
Kids, that was a wrong one from Olivia.
Yep.
Knock starts with a K.
Oops. Oopsie. So N as in no. No.
That's right, but this is a nut.
Oh, a nut. That's a good one.
Okay, so next one is O.
O. Orange. Orange,
Yes,
the color.
an orange.
Yeah.
Okay, next one is P.
Pet.
No, a panda, just like your favorite animal.
Oh, my favorite animal. I love pandas.
Okay, next one is hard. Next
Okay.
one is a Q.
Quack.
No, that's what a duck does.
Yeah.
Quack, 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 quack.
That was my
But
thought.
this is a queen, just like you're a queen.
Oh, a queen. I am a queen. Yeah, I have a crown sometimes.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Next one is R.
Rabbit.
A rooster.
Rooster.
Rooster. Okay, that was my row.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, that was the third row, so now it's your turn again, okay?
Okay, let's switch.
I'm gonna come.
Okay, I'm coming.
Bye.
Bye.
There I am again.
And here I am again.
Okay, now it's the last row with two special letters
Yep.
that you're just gonna do for ourselves.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so I can't remember where we left off. Sorry.
The last letter was R for rooster.
Oh, or like a rose.
Or like a rose.
Rose is my favorite flower.
Oh, roses are very nice. They smell good, huh?
Yeah. So after R comes, I guess S.
Yep, S. What's like that?
S like shampoo.
What? I mean, yes, but that's a hard one. No,
That's a hard one.
it's an easier one. It's
Okay.
an easier one.
S like soft.
No, S like
The sun.
the sun. Yeah, the sun.
Okay,
The sun.
yeah, I should have guessed that one.
And then T.
T like I don't know.
Oh, this one's two. Can I tell you?
Oh yeah, you tell me. You help me out on this one.
Tiger tail.
Tiger
It's a
tail.
but it's striped like a tiger.
Oh, like tiger tail.
Yep, tiger tail.
Oh, that's funny.
That's funny.
Okay.
Okay. And next.
You.
Yep, you.
You like unicorn.
Nope, you like umbrella.
Umbrella.
Yeah,
Oh,
umbrella.
that's a good one.
That is a good one.
Okay.
And then next.
V. Oh, that's a hard one.
Yeah, V. Oh yeah, V is hard.
V as in.
Ooh.
Oh,
Yeah, this one's hard.
Volvo. I know that's a car, but that doesn't help.
Want me to try?
Yeah, you help me. Can you give me a hint?
Yeah. You put flowers in it.
Oh, a vase.
Yep. V for vase.
VASE.
Uh-huh.
Vase.
Yep.
Okay.
Great. And then what's
Now-
next?
Ooh, W.
W?
W as in wild.
Nope. I mean, yes, that's right. But also, my little red.
Little red. I don't know.
I can put stuff in it and drag it around outside. It has 4 wheels.
Oh, wagon.
Yeah, my little red wagon.
Oh, nice. That's a good one.
Yep.
Okay.
He's doing really good, huh, guys? Okay. What's
So next one is X.
next? X. Okay.
Like xylophone.
Yeah. Xylophone.
Xylophone.
Yep. Xylophone.
Like xylophone.
Yeah.
Yay!
Good job. Good job. Good job.
That's the only X word that I know. Actually, no. X-ray is another one I
Yep,
know.
X-ray
But
is another
xylophone. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Now
Okay.
it gets really hard on these last ones. Maybe you have to help me out. So
Okay.
after X comes Y.
Y. Yep.
Like you.
Yeah. You.
Or yard.
Or yard. Oh, this one's
Or-
different.
Oh, I don't know.
Want me to help you?
Yeah.
So in the morning you might eat an egg and it has a
Yolk.
yep yolk.
Oh, okay, that's a good one.
Okay, and are you ready for the last one?
Z. Oh, Z must be zebra.
Yep, zebra.
Zebra.
Z's always zebra, huh?
Oh, that's really
Yeah.
good.
Wow, I learned all these new words that I've never, ever heard before. Did you kids learn something new too? I sure hope so. If not, practice, 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 right? Because practice makes perfect. Matter of fact, I'm going to practice my ABCs with our song again. Kids, I'll see you next time. Bye! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Hi, kids! If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.